Okay guys, we got a 2.8 donkey stomper. This is for a friend of mine. I don't call his name. If you want to say who he is, you can. He's a little long-winded. It's for the new build. He blew a couple pills, threw it through and did a couple of upgrades and fixed him up. A little test review. So look at our straight through SWR to start with. Is this radio straight through? No, and not too worldwide, get on down. Turn it on, then put SWR, very wide open, radio drive. Worldwide, 09. 5 on reverse, radio drive, very wide open. Worldwide, about a watt reflow. 1,000 watt slug, average power. Worldwide, man with cornbread in his hand. Worldwide, 900 average. Hello, audio. Whistle 1002. Oh, that's just a piece of paper that's on top. Just fell over one of the things. There's a piece of paper with a note. Scared me for a minute. Worldwide, 1,000 watt average. That's a nice paper right there. Worldwide. 2,500 watt PEP, very wide open. Worldwide, man with cornbread in his hand, man with cornbread in his hand, man with cornbread in his hand. Get on down, worldwide, get on down. I will turn variable halfway just for kids. Variable halfway down, put it on a repeat. Worldwide, almost 15. Variable all the way down. Worldwide, less than 1,000. Variable back wide open. 2,500 watt PEP. Worldwide. 1,000 watt average. Worldwide. Get on down. 2,500 watt PEP. Worldwide. Man with a cornbread in his hand. Getting on down. There she is. Just want to do a little test video and let it see it's working. 2.8 donkey stomper. Alrighty folks, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Your friend and Tim 018 Beavers. Catch you later. Bye bye.